In Scrintal, you can have multiple boards and visual elements in them. But what else can you do? In this video, I will teach you how to access the actions from the canvas and from the elements that you have placed in it. Let's check it out. This video is part of a Scrintal for Beginners series sponsored by Scrintal. So if you want to have access to all the videos in the series, make sure to check the link in the description below this video. To do anything in the infinite canvas, there are two things that you need to know. First, how to move the canvas around. And second, how to select one or more elements inside of the canvas. And both are super simple. The first mode is when you have the toggle pen activated. In this mode, you can use the mouse cursor to drag and drop the screen around. And also, you cannot click or select any of the elements in the canvas using the left click. So the second mode is when we remove the toggle pen option. Now, the mouse cursor is used to select one or more items in the canvas, as well as move the items around. Okay, so now we know how to select one or more elements in the canvas. But what can you do with them? So the actions that you can perform will depend on what is selected at each moment. A right click at the blank canvas will give you all canvas actions. These actions will affect the canvas and everything in it. But you can also choose to modify just one element or a group of elements. In that case, you can select one or more elements and check the available options, either in the hovering menu or by right-clicking in one of the selected elements. So now I invite you to create a board, add a few elements in it, and explore everything you can do with them directly from the board view. And if you want to learn all the details of all the actions in Scrintal, take a look at my full Scrintal course with the link in the description of this video. And if you think you have covered everything that is important about Scrintal, well, I'll ask you to think again. Because in the next video, we'll cover what sets Scrintal apart for most diagramming and mind map tools, as well as folder-based note-taking apps. And that is the creation of links. So I see you there.